Good morning, everyone. I am Subodip Pan from EC. Myself and Soikat Das are now presenting about the hydropower. We have taken from different websites and YouTube channel. We know about the hydropower, nothing but hydroelectric power. We are all student of electronics and communication, so we have a very little knowledge about the generation of electric of hydropower electric hydropower. ठीक है. Friends, we are all aware that hydropower nothing but hydroelectric energy, but from the principle of conversation of energy, we cannot create any energy further. Only we can do to change from one to another. Hydropower nothing but renewable energy which we get from nature, like solar energy, wind energy. It is also called non-conversation energy. Hydropower is a known as traditional renewable energy source. It based on natural water flow. Natural water flow. It drops from higher level to lower level surface to get potential in order to convert this potential to electrical energy. Second, essential element of hydropower plant. First, reservoir. Reservoir is a storage of water which future utilized to generation the power by running hydropower turbine. Second, control gate. Control gate is a machine control gate where we control the flow of water. Second, third, dam. Dam is a made of a concrete which basically helps to store the water in reservoir. Fourth, pen stove. Pen stove is a made of strong material. Strong material. It helps increase the kinetic energy to water of water coming from the dam. For fifth is a turbine. Turbine is a very is a like a fan. Is a like a fan structure having many number of blades which water pass through. It can be rotated on its axis. Next, generator. Generator is a device in which there is a rotational of coil between the storage machine field. The strong magnetic field is produced AC current. And last, outflow where the release the extra release the water. After we shift uh, uh, after we safety device is a spillway. Spillway is a structure in a dam to provide the extra water, release the extra water. And second, surge tank is a tank when suddenly close the control valve, then in the pin stop create a huge back pressure. And in this, to avoid this accident, a tank is attached to the pin stop, which release the pressure. Thank you. This is my part, and next, proceed my friend Sultan Das.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you. I want to thank Somajit Ghorai sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I also thank Shubhadeep to explain the content very much well. Now I am going to discuss the working principle of hydropower. Please show the whole figure of hydropower components. Shubhadeep, please show the whole hydro. hydropower components. Yes, the reservoir. At first, I want to say the working principle of hydropower plant. This is the reservoir. The reservoir helps to store the water. We create dam for storing the water in height to increase the potential energy of the water, which is very important to generate electrical energy. Now this structure the water intake. The water intake is used to get water from the reservoir. When the gates of the dams are opened, the water moves with high kinetic energy into the penstock. To the penstock, the water goes to turbine house, and the water with high velocity through the penstock, the water goes to turbine house with high velocity. Now the water strikes the turbine blade with high velocity and the turbine starts moving. When the turbine starts moving, the armature coil of the generator also starts moving, and the electrical energy is produced by the principle of electromagnetic induction. The electrical transformer converts the alternating current that the hydroelectric power is generating into a high voltage current. The powerhouse of a hydropower plant is the place where the total potential and kinetic energy of the water flowing through the water conducting system is transformed into a mechanical energy of rotating turbine, and which is then further converted into electrical energy by generator. And the electrical energy is distributed by the distributor lines, and they had the outflow. This outflow is used to carry the water through a pipeline and re-enters the river downstream. In this way, the whole process of electrical energy, generation of electrical energy occurs. Now, I want to say about the hydropower plants of India. Please show the slide. The 5 biggest hydropower plant in India. Tehri hydropower at the confluence of the Bhagirathi and the river of Tehri in Uttarakhand, having complexity of 2,400 milliwatt. Koyana hydroelectric project located near Potananda district Satra in Maharashtra, having capacity of 1960 milliwatt. Sri Shailandam located on Krishna River Kurnool in West and Mahbubnagar in Telangana, 1620 on Saltu River and the Sarovar Dam on Normo River near Gujarat, having capacity of 1450 milliwatt. Now the next, this is the 5 biggest hydropower plant in India. Now I want to say the hydropower. The first hydropower plant was constructed in 1897, having capacity of 130 kilowatt. Major at Shivsamudram Kaveri in Karnataka in 1902, having capacity of 4.5 megawatt. Hydro plant was constructed 14 named as Hopolo, having capacity 50 megawatt. Hydro potential at 40,000 factor in the fiscal year of 2019 to 2020. Now I want to say the advantages and disadvantages of hydropower plant. Please show the slide. Advantages. Now I want to say that there is no need of fuel charge to produce hydropower because hydropower works without using any fossil fuels. Second, the hydropower is renewable. The hydropower is completely renewable, which means it will never run out unless the water stops flowing. Once a dam is constructed, electricity can be produced at constant rate with low operating costs. Third, reliable. Hydroelectricity is very reliable energy. There are very little fluctuations in terms of hydroelectric power. Countries that have large resources of hydropower use hydroelectric energy as a base load energy resource. Flexible. If electricity is not needed, the sluice gates can be shut, stopping electricity generation. The water can be saved for use another time when electricity demand is very high. Hydroelectricity does not produce any greenhouse gases. For this reason, it does not cause any pollution. Tourist attraction. The lake that forms behind the dam can be used for water sports and pleasure activities. Irrigation. Hydroelectric power plant reservoirs collect rainwater, which can then be used for consumption or for irrigation. In storing water, they protect the water tables against depletion and reduce damage against flood and droughts. Maintenance. Hydropower plant, the maintenance cost is very low. These are the some advantages of this hydropower plant. And I want to say that some disadvantages of hydropower plants. Please show the slide. The initial cost of the power plant is very high, means the investment cost is very high because it takes long time for construction of the dam. Generally, such plants are located in hilly areas far away from load center, and thus they require long transmission lines and losses in them will be more. Power generation by hydropower. Power generation by hydropower is only dependent on natural phenomenon of rain. Therefore, at the time of drought or summer season, the hydropower plant will not work. Hydropower plant, these are the some disadvantages of hydropower plant. Now I want to say the environmental impacts of hydropower plant. Please show the slide. Hydroelectric power includes both massive hydroelectric dams and small run-of-the-river plants. Large-scale hydroelectric dams continue to be built in many parts of the world, including China and Brazil, but it is unlikely that new facilities will be added to the existing US fleet in the future. Instead, the future of hydroelectric power in the United States will likely involve increased capacity at current dams and new run-of-the-river projects. There are environmental impacts at both types of plants. Now, the economical impacts of hydropower. Large dams have long been produced as providing cheap hydropower and water supply. Today we know better. The cost and poor performance of large dams were in the past largely concealed by the public agencies that built and operated the project. Dams consistently cost more and take longer to build than projected. In general, the larger a hydro project is, the larger its construction cost overrun in percentage terms. There are some economical impacts in years of ample run of hydropower plants produce extra energy. This is used to displace more expensive generation of fossil fuel power plants, which further helps to reduce the consumer's electricity bill. Revenue from power sales is also repaid to us US Treasury. Now, so the next slide. References. We have taken help from Google, Wikipedia, YouTube, and Facebook. The softwares we have used Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. Thank you everyone for watching.
Okay, go to first, second, third, fourth slide, fourth or fifth slide. Next. What is TG combination? Just explain this. Just explain this figure.
টারবাইন আর জেনারেটরকে একসাথে টিজি কম্বিনেশন বলা হয়। টারবাইনের মধ্যে দিয়ে এখান দিয়ে জল যায়, এটা এখানে আর্মেচারটা ঘোরায়, আর এখানে স্ট্রং ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডের জন্য এসি কারেন্ট তৈরি হয়। এইটা তখন জেনারেটর, একসাথে কম্বিনেশন থেকে টিজি কম্বিনেশন বলা হয়।
The speed in case of electricity from the hydropower plant, electricity is all of you know that electricity is generated in case of hydropower plant. So in that case, any importance of the shape of the blade in case of the hydropower plant? What is the any importance of the shape? Or normal shape of the blade is used in case of hydropower plant?
Repeat.
In hydropower plant, so that means different hydropower plant produces different types of different amounts or different megawatt of electricity. So which factor mainly dependent for the electricity produced from the hydropower plant? Any idea?
যেটা মানে কি বলে কাইনেটিক এনার্জি যেটা বেশি থাকবে সেখানেতেই আপনার বেশি এটা তৈরি করতে পারবে।
So kinetic energy. So kinetic energy depends on which factor?
ওয়াটার প্রেসার।
Water present. Okay. So now in that case, what is the importance of wicket gate?
স্যার উইকেট গেট কি আসলে আপনার ওয়াটার মানে উইকেট গেটটা হচ্ছে একটা ছোট নজল টাইপের, যেটা আপনার পিন স্টকটা আস্তে 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 সরু হয়ে গিয়ে উইকেট গেটটা কাছে খুবই সরু হয়ে যায়, যাতে আপনার ওয়াটার প্রেসারটা খুব মানে খুব বেড়ে যায়, যাতে ব্লেড গুলো আরো স্পিডে ঘোরাতে পারে।
Next slide. Which type of what is the importance of penstock?
স্যার পেন স্টকটা হচ্ছে যে আপনার ওয়াটারটাকে ড্যাম মানে রিজার্ভার থেকে টারবাইনে নিয়ে আসে, হাই প্রেসারেতে, মানে আমরা কাইনেটিক এনার্জিটা তৈরি করে নিয়ে আসা পারে।
তাহলে how kinetic energy is created in that case?
যখন মানে জলটা মানে একটা এ থেকে মানে নিচে ওটা হাই অল্টিটিউড থেকে লো অল্টিটিউডে আসছে, তো সেই সময় আপনার আস্তে 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 যে জায়গাটাকে মানে শুরু করে দেয়, মানে নজলটাকে আস্তে শুরু করে দেওয়ার জন্য সেখানেতে প্রেসারটা খুব বেড়ে যায়, সেইখানে আর বেড়ে যেমনি প্রেসার বেড়ে যাবে সেমনি সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আপনার কাইনেটিক এনার্জিটা বেড়ে যাবে।
তাহলে which type of materials is used for in case of penstock? Which type of materials are present for the preparation of penstock?
বেসিক্যালি স্যার ইয়ে ইস্পাত, স্টিল।
Steel. Okay. Acha, next slide. Next slide. Spillway. Search tank এর importance নাই বুঝলাম. What is the importance of spillway?
যখন ড্যামেতে বেশি জল আসবে, যখন রেইনফল খুব বেশি হয়, তখন জলটা বের করে দেওয়া প্রয়োজন, নয়তো ড্যামের উপর প্রচুর চাপ পড়ে, সেই ওভারফ্লোটাকে বের করে দেওয়ার জন্য স্পিলওয়ে ব্যবহার করা হয়।
Okay, very good. Next slide. Next slide. So now in that case, after the previous slide. After the when the water is outflow, now this water is used for any purposes. Is this water used for any purposes? Now this is a totally cyclic process.
আউটফ্লো পয়েন্টটা
Yes.
স্যার যে কোনো মানে কৃষিক্ষেত্রে কাজের জন্য বা অন্য কিছু যেমন ইরিগেশন এসব জিনিসের জন্য কাজের জন্য।
আচ্ছা। So now what is control gate?
কন্ট্রোল গেট একটা মানে মেশিন কন্ট্রোল গেট, যেটা আপনার রিজার্ভার থেকে টারবাইনের জলটা আসাটা নিয়ন্ত্রণ করে।
আচ্ছা, নেক্সট স্লাইড। আচ্ছা সৈকত, টেল মি the capacity, that means this is milliwatt or megawatt?
Sir, this is megawatt.
You tell me the milliwatt. Milliwatt, this is the 5 biggest hydropower. Okay, so okay. Next slide. Next slide. Next. Acha, what is flue gas? What is flue gas? What is flue gas? What is flue gas?
টক্সিক গ্যাসটাকে বলে।
সেটা ফ্লু গ্যাস তো কিছু তো একটা আছে। চলো, হোয়াট ইজ ফ্লু গ্যাস?
মানে স্যার যেমন কয়লা পোড়ালে কার্বনের একটা কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড এসবের একটা মিক্সচার গ্যাস তৈরি হয়, সেরকম গ্যাস তৈরি হয়।
Which flue gas is present? Which flue gas is present in hydropower plant?
হাইড্রো পাওয়ার প্ল্যান্টে কিছু নেই তো।
আচ্ছা, very good. Okay. আচ্ছা, next slide. Okay, ठीक है, very good presentation. Okay, very good. अच्छा